Hello YouTube, let's grab one of the best image viewer and also processing applications on internet. That would be Irfan View. That's excellent product. Okay, so always download these applications from official websites. Don't use FTP servers, torrents, and so on. I always said that to people. So yeah, we have 32 version, 64-bit version. I will go with 64-bit version. What I need to press download now. Obviously I don't have time to wait, so restart the download, and that thing need to be 3.4 megabytes. So let's open that application. Yes. Okay, let's see what's up. Create it from view shortcut on desktop. Cool. Thumbnails. Well, cool. A shortcut in start many programs. That's cool. For all users, well, I'm only one user, but you know, who cares? For current user only. And this is the default installation path. So next. What's new in this version? I really don't care because I know it's great. Next. Images only. If you are just updating an older version, you can leave all boxes unchecked. That's interesting to know. But I want Irfan View to open only images. Of course, it's easier. It's easy to change that later if I need to. Destination directory. Okay, that's cool. Configuration files. Yeah, application data folder. That will get the job done. Next, you want to change current association and associate one or many file types with Irfan View. Are you really sure? Well, I'm not, but yes. I don't need a home page, and I just wanna, to start the Irfan View after that. And there you go, the really small but really useful application. I mean, this thing is absolutely magnificent. Look at those options. I mean, yeah, so just open any kind of image and see what you can do with this. And if people want, if people need, I will create dozens of these smaller tutorials probably. Really useful application. But anyway, I need to get some job done here, so this was just really quick installation. I hope it will save you a couple of headaches or whatever minutes. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.